How to find wallet address on Kraken. In order to do it, you first need to come to kraken.com, or you can even follow the same steps in the Kraken mobile application. You just have to simply come either to the website, or you just have to simply launch your Kraken mobile application. Over here on the home page, you will be able to see the deposit option. So you simply need to click on the deposit option, and then you will be landed on the deposit page. Now over here, you just have to simply select that particular coin which you want to deposit. After selecting the coin, you will be able to see the QR code as well as its respective deposit address. So you just have to simply copy it from here, and now you can use this wallet address in order to deposit the particular crypto that you have selected. So this is basically your wallet address which is associated with the particular cryptocurrency that you have selected. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.